Hello students, how are you all? Here I am going to show you some few more sums on elimination method. In the previous video, we have discussed how this elimination method is used to find the value of x and y. Here are a few more sums on the same method. Let's see. I have already written a question. 5x plus 8y by equal to 19, 3x minus 4 by y equal to 7. This is my first equation and this is my second equation. Equation number 1, equation number 2. If you remember this elimination method, and before that I want to tell you that if you do not know that method, elimination method, then go through the first video and then come to this video to see the actual method. Let's see. With x, what is there? 5. I mean, what is the coefficient of x? 5. So second equation I'll multiply by 5. What is the coefficient of x here? 3. So by 3 we'll multiply this. This is the first rule of this method. So I hope you understood. By 5 we are multiplying, by 3 we are multiplying. Now let us multiply by 3. 15x plus 3 8 24 by y. 3 into 19, 57. Now by 5 we have to multiply this. 5 4 20 by y. 5 7 35. Now we know that we have to change the sign of all the terms of this second equation. Like this is plus, we have to write it minus. This is minus, we have to convert it into plus. Plus, minus. We know this rule. Plus 15x minus 15x. Cancel it. Now, 24 by y plus 20 by y. 24 by y plus 20 by y equal to 57 minus 35. Now, see, be very careful here because it was minus, but I am not writing minus because this minus sign is changed into plus, so we have to write in that way. Now, what is the LCM? Y, LCM is y. By y, you divide y. 1 into 24 plus same way by y you divide y, you will get 1 into 20. Now cross multiplication, y into 22y equal to 24 plus 20, it's 44 into 1, that is 44. So y equal to 44 by 22, that is 2. So we got the value of y, that is 2. After that I told you, after getting y or x, whatever it is, then put this value in any of this equation, whichever you find easier. Now which equation is easier for you? This one, no? Because digits are smaller than this. Let us put in equation number 2. So from 2, 3x minus 4 by y. What is y? 2 equal to 7. Now 3x minus 2 will go there, so it will be, now 3x equal to 9, so x equal to 9 by 3, that is 3. So we got x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. This is the solution we have found for this given sum. I hope you understood. we'll go for few more complicated sum. Let's go for the next sum. Here I have written another sum for you. The style of this sum is little bit different, but we'll solve it by elimination method. Let us see that. This equation, we will cross multiply it. Then we'll get a simple form like 3 into this, that is 3x plus 3y equal to 2 into 2, 4xy. Isn't it simple? Good. Now from this, minus 3, by minus 3 we'll multiply this 2. So we are getting 3 to just 6x, that is minus 6x. Then by minus 3 multiply this, plus 3. Then 10 into xy, 10xy. Now, so this is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. Here, first equation will be multiplied by minus 6 and second equation will be multiplied by 3. After multiplication, we know the process will go accordingly. But here I want to tell you something that, see, this 3y, 3y, these portions are equal. If these portions are equal, no need to multiply this. I'm not saying that if you multiply and you go accordingly, the sum is wrong. No, that is also correct. But since 3y and 3y both are equal, so why to multiply it? Just directly, if you write 3x plus 3y, 4xy, then minus 6x plus 3y equal to 10xy. See, what is the benefit of having equal? See, first of all, change the sign. Minus will be plus, this plus will be minus, this plus will be minus. So easily plus 3y minus 3y can be cancelled out. Understood? That's why I said if these two portions are equal, no need to multiply them. If these portions are also equal, then no need to multiply that. Just go this way. Just change the sign, the things will get deducted. Now 3x plus 6x, not minus 6x, because we have changed it. 3x plus 6x, 9x equal to, this is cancelled. 4xy minus 10xy is minus 6xy. Now x is there, x is also there, so x cancelled. What is left? 9 equal to minus 6y. So y equal to 9 by minus 6. 3 ja 3 2 ja. So y we got minus 3 by 2. This is y. Now if you multiply this equation in the beginning, if you multiply this equation by minus 6 and this equation by 3 and you go accordingly, then you will get the same answer. But what I told you, that since these two portions are equal, so no need to multiply them. Just directly you go with this, the 3 by 3 will be cancelled. Simple. Now minus 3 by 2. This value will put in this equation, any of this equation. Now which you find easier for you. Let us go for the first one only. 3x plus 3y. What is y? Minus 3 by 2 equal to 4xy. What is x? We do not know. What is y? We know that y is minus 3 by 2. Yes. Let us continue it. 3x plus minus 3 3 are 9 by 2 equal to 2. got minus 2 3 just 6x. I hope you understood this portion. Now 3x minus 6x will come this side, plus 6x minus 9 by 2 is going there, plus 9 by 2. 9x equal to 9 by 2, x equal to, with x what is there? 9. 9 will come down, so 9 by 2. The 9 is also coming down like this. 9 cancelled is 1 by 2. Yes, because 2 is a down, 1 by 2. So x is 1 by 2 and y is minus 1 by 3. I hope you understood this sum. This is the sum. By this multiplication, cross multiplication, we are getting this simple form. After the simple form, we are going with the process. We will see one more sum now. Here is another sum for you. Let us see how to solve that in elimination method. Let's see. My first equation, my second equation. Now, see, here is 3 by x and here is 2 by x. So, this first one is 3. By 3 will multiply this. What is this? 2. By 2 will multiply this. Let us multiply. By 2 multiply the whole equation. 6 by x, 4 by y, 2 into 0, 0. By 3 multiply all. Plus 3 5 is 15 by y. 3 into 19, 57. Just change the sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Cancelled. Plus 6 by x, minus 6 by x. Cancelled. Minus 4 by y, minus 15 by y equal to 0 minus 57. That is minus 57. Yes. LCM is y. Minus 4 minus 15. One more thing, don't forget to give this imply sign, otherwise the marks will be deducted. Equal to minus 57. So minus 4 minus 15, that is minus 19 by y equal to minus 57. Now cross multiply it. Y into this, minus 57y equal to minus 19 into 1, minus 19. So y equal to, any doubt? Minus minus cancelled. 19 3s. So y equal to 1 by 3, because 3 is a down. So 1 by 3 y. Now we know the process. We'll put this y in any of this equation and we'll get the value of x. Which equation is easier? Let us put in the first equations. From 1, 3 by x plus, it's minus 2 by y. 2 by y. What is y? 1 by 3. Equal to 0. 3 by x, 1 by 3 will be reciprocal. So 3 will go up. 3 to just 6 by 1. I hope you understood this. Simple fraction. 1 by 3 will reciprocal. So it will be 3 will go up. 3 to just 6 by 1. Equal to 0. Now 3 by x equal to minus 6 by 1 means 6 by 1 will go this side, that is plus 6 or you can write 6 by 1 also, no problem. Minus 6 by 1 is going there, plus 6 by 1. Now cross multiply it. 6x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Yes, x is 1 by 2 and y is 1 by 3. Understood? Let us go for another sum. See, another sum. This sum is little complicated than your previous sums. Let's see. In this sum, it's a peculiar type. See, 3x plus 4y, then 3x minus 2y, again 3x minus 2y, 3x plus 4y. In this type of sum, see this sum very carefully. In this type of sums, we have to consider something like, let 3x plus 4y equal to a and 3x minus 2y equal to b. Understood? We are considering 3x plus 4y as a and 3x minus 2y as b. So, what we are getting then? 34 by a plus 15 by b. I hope you understood. Just see this. Now, from here, 25 by 3x minus 2y is b. So, we have to write b minus 8.5 by 3x plus 4y means a equal to, this was 5 and this is 4.5. 4.5. Now, if you see this, here a is at first, b is at second. But here b is at first, a is at second. Let us take this here so that the sequence may match. Just to match it, minus 8.5 by a will write here and plus 25 by b will write here. Like this. We are writing minus 8.5 by a here and this plus 25 by b will write here. (25 by b) here. Now it's matching a, b, b. Now see here. Now this is my first equation and this is my second equation. First equation will be multiplied by 8.5 and second equation will be multiplied by 34. Then we have to minus this. So big digits plus decimals. Just to avoid this calculation, this bigger calculation, to avoid that, we can just multiply this equation, this second equation, by 4. Yes. And don't multiply this first equation. What is the benefit? See, what is the benefit of just multiplying this by 4 and don't multiply this first equation? See what we are getting. First equation will remain as it is. Second equation, if you multiply by 4, what we are getting? Minus 8.5 into 4, 34 by a, plus 4 into 25, 100 by b, 4 into this, 18. Understood? See, 34 by a, 34 by a. Yes, it's matching. That's why. Since it's matching, so no need to go for this bigger calculation. Minus 8.5 we have to multiply there. 34 we have to multiply there. Not required. Our target is just to match it. So to match it, just I am multiplying this second equation by 4 and don't multiply the first equation. Just this first equation remains same. Now calculate it. Now here not required to change the sign. You know why? If you change this sign, this minus will get plus 34 by a plus 34 by a. We cannot cut. So no need to change the sign. Keep the sign as it is. So 34 by a minus 34 by a is cancelled. So we are getting 15 by b plus 100 by b equal to 5 plus 18, 23. So as I told you that this is plus, this is already in minus. So why to change it? Just cut. No need to change any sign. LCM is b. Now cross multiplication. 23b equal to 115 into 1, 115. So b equal to, here I am writing, b equal to 115 by 23 equal to 5. So b is 5. We got our value b 5. Now the value of b we will put in any of this equation, whichever you find easier for you. Obviously we'll go with the first equation because here decimal is also there, minus is there. Why to go with this? We'll take the first equation from 1. First equation, 34 by a plus 15 by b. What is b? 5 equal to 5. 34 by a, 5 3 is that. So plus 3 will go there now. So it will be 2. Because plus 3 is going there. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now cross multiplication. 2a equal to 34. So a equal to 34 by 2, that is 17. So we got a equal to 17 and b equal to 5. I hope you understood. But the sum is not finished yet. Because in the question, they asked me to find the value of x and y. X and y. But we got a and b. From this a and b, we have to find the value of x and y. Let's do it. Now, since we don't have space here, let me rub that. Yeah, this much is enough. Now, see this, what we considered 3x plus 4y equal to a. So 3x plus 4y equal to a. What is a? 17. Now 3x minus 2y equal to b. 3x minus 2y equal to b. What is b? 5. 5. So here we are getting two more equations, that is equation number 3 and equation number 4. Yes, first we got 1 and 2 from where we got the value of a and b. Now again we are getting another two equation 3 and 4 from which we'll calculate the values of x and y. Let's see. Now I told you that this 3x, they are same. Since they are same, no need to multiply that. So just minus it. Plus will be minus, minus, plus, plus, minus. Cancel it. 4y plus 2y, 6y. 17 minus 5, 12. So y equal to, that is 2. Yes. Now you got the value of y. We'll place this value of y in any of this equation, 3 or 4. Now let us say 3. From 3. 3x plus 4y. What is y? 2. Equal to 17. 3x plus 4 to the 8. So 3x equal to plus 8 is going there. 17 minus 8, that is 9. So x equal to 9 by 3, that is 3. Now we got the value of x and y from, yes. So I can write my final answer. So x equal to 3, y equal to 2. Yes, y equal to 2. X equal to 3, y equal to 2. So this was the equations which is given in the question. Now from that we are considering 3x plus 4y as A, 3x minus 2y as B. So these are the equations. After that, how I discussed the thing, you might have understood. I hope you understood. Then we are getting A and B, but here we are required to find x and y. So A and B, from this two, again I am forming other two equations, equation number 3 and 4. By solving these equations, I am getting y equal to 2, x equal to 3, which is the final answer of this sum. I hope you understood. Thank you.